What if I tell you you can eat meat without killing an animal? Yes, this is possible with new technologies. So instead of the conventional meat, you can consume the clean meat and the plant-based meat, which are good for both humans and the environment. Clean meat is a lab-grown meat, basically made using cellular agriculture and tissue engineering techniques. The process of making lab-grown meat starts with giving local anesthesia to an animal and then carefully remove small number of cells from a living animal. Then a lab technician places the harvested cells in bioreactors where they grow and multiply to produce real muscle tissue and then transform into various shapes like beef steak, chicken nugget, or hamburger patties. Singapore became the first country to get the approval of selling clean chicken meat. So in their labs, they make billions of pounds of meat from just a single cell. So unlike the traditional factory farms, there is no cruelty, no antibiotics and no killing. Now second version of meat is plant-based meat. As the name suggests, it is made using plants and other non-animal products. And the ingredients used to make plant-based meat are typically soya beans and other legumes, wheat gluten and a variety of nuts. So, when you eat clean meat and plant-based meat, you would find no difference. Not just in texture, not just in appearance, but also in flavor. Now both these have their own benefits. Plant-based meat and clean meat are healthier, unlike the traditional meat, which can be linked to cancer, cardiovascular disease, obesity, and high cholesterol levels. Similarly, processed meat, which is high in sodium, increases the risk of coronary heart disease and type 2 diabetes. So these versions of meats are environment friendly as they save not just fuel, pesticides and fertilizers but also water. Globally, many countries are developing both plant-based and clean meat. India's population can also benefit from making plant-based and clean meat available, especially plant-based. And India can become a leader in this sector, as crops such as millets, ragi, pulses and chickpeas, which grow here, are ideal raw ingredients for plant-based meat. Companies like Blue Tribe, Good Dot and Tata are developing plant-based meat, which is similar to traditional one in texture, flavor and appearance, and are available in the supermarket. Upside Foods, Mosa Meat are some clean meat producing companies. Clear Meat, a lab-based company from India focused on producing cultured meat or clean meat. So India's population will have clean meat by 2025. Globally, researchers, companies and governments are making efforts to find alternatives for the things which are damaging the ecosystem. You can also be a part of it by choosing those alternatives over the conventional one.